Today's world is one where team members may be spread around the world, collaborating on the same project across different time zones. File locking is a core feature of Kenesto. It prevents team members from overwriting each other's work without worrying about synchronizing multiple versions of the truth. Kenesto has two locking modes. The first mode I'm going to show you is our automatic file locking. First, let's look at a simple SOLIDWORKS assembly stored in the Kenesto drive. The assembly has been shared with my colleagues. I double-click on the file to open it in SOLIDWORKS. In Windows Explorer, we can see the familiar tilde indicators for the open assembly file. So what do my colleagues see when they look at the same file in their Explorer? They see the files with a lock icon, meaning that they can open the file as read-only. It takes about a half a second for the lock to appear anywhere in the world. What this means is that only one person can edit a file at a time, essential when you're editing geometry in a CAD file. The locks are automatically released when the person who is editing the file saves the file and closes it in the authoring application. The locks are also released if the person who is editing the file becomes disconnected from the internet. This takes about 10 minutes. Kenesto also has a traditional PDM vault mode for file locking, which requires that files be checked out before they can be edited and checked back in before others can edit them. Here we select a folder, right-click on it, and set it to a vault. A lock icon appears against the folder. Drilling down into the folder, to files, we're going to check out this assembly file, right mouse button, check out. Here we see that the assembly now has a checked out icon against it, indicating the file's been checked out and is ready for editing. The view for colleagues with whom the file's been shared is only slightly different, with the assembly file showing a locked icon. In summary, Kenesto has two file locking modes, automatic and traditional PDM vaulting mode with file checkout and check-in. You're free to choose the mode that works better for your organization, or you can mix the modes. Up to you.